In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Shopify email campaign using ChatGPT, Figma, and Klaviyo. We're going to walk through the full workflow from planning the message to sending a final test email. The goal here is to create an email that looks professional, matches your brand, and is ready to perform well across devices. Start by deciding the goal of the email campaign. Before writing or designing anything, get clear on what this email is supposed to do. For example, you may want to promote a product, announce a limited time offer, or drive traffic back to your store. Having a clear objective makes every decision easier, from the layout to the wording of the call to action. Next, gather everything you need for the campaign. This includes product information, images, branding elements, and the offer itself. Make sure the product details are accurate, the images are high quality, and the offer is clearly defined. This preparation step saves time later and helps keep the email focused and consistent. Once you have your materials ready, ask ChatGPT to create the email's headline, body copy, product benefits, and call to action. This is a great way to quickly generate a strong first draft. Be specific about the product, the audience, and the tone you want so the copy feels aligned with your brand. After that, request several variations and choose the strongest version. Comparing different options helps you find the most compelling angle. Look for the version that feels clear, persuasive, and easy to scan. Now open Figma and create an email-sized design frame. This gives you a clean space to build the visual layout. Then arrange the key sections of the email, including the header, hero image, offer, product section, and call to action button. Keep the structure simple and easy to follow so the main message stands out. As you design, apply the Shopify brand's colors, fonts, and visual style. Consistent branding helps the email feel polished and recognizable. Once the design is complete, export the required images from Figma so they're ready to use in the email platform. Then open Klaviyo and create a new email template. Rebuild the design inside Klaviyo or upload the visual assets as needed. From there, add working buttons and Shopify product links. This is an important step because even a great looking email won't perform if the links don't lead people to the right place. Finally, preview the email on desktop and mobile to make sure everything looks clean and functions properly on both. Before scheduling the campaign, send a test email. This gives you one last chance to check spacing, images, text, and links so you can send with confidence. And with